Lego fidget spinner.
So you ready to take us through how to build it?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's do this thing. Okay, so you need two wheels right here.
Okay.
Two short pegs. One long peg. I think these are called connectors.
So how many do you need of them?
3.
Yep.
Three connectors. I don't really know what this is called, but I'm calling it a pipe.
Yep.
One hole in the middle, and it stops right there and there.
Okay. And then you need
One thin. You can use any colored Lego. You can use square too.
Okay.
I'm just using a circle.
Okay.
And you need two thick Legos. 2 of them, square, circle, whatever.
And what do those do for the fidget spinner?
It makes it so the part that spins doesn't fall off.
Okay. All right.
Take the long peg
Okay.
and take the thick Lego brick,
Okay.
and place it on there like that,
Turn. Yep, right there.
just like that.
Okay.
And then you do this. Put
Okay.
that
so
on.
What did you just put on?
The thin round Lego piece
Yep.
right there.
Yep.
You put it on the bottom and
Yep.
connect it. And if you guys have the
Okay.
pieces and if you want to build it, you can. Now we put the white tube in. Stick the long peg through that hole,
Okay. Through the middle hole, right?
through the middle. Yep. Take one of these, the connectors, put it on it. Oh, whoops.
Show the
That
camera
slid down.
while you're doing it.
The
Show 'em.
peg.
Yep.
And put it like that. Leave a little space
Okay.
so that it can spin.
Okay.
See how it spins?
Yep.
Alright. Then you put the thick Lego piece on. Just
Okay.
like that. Don't do it tight, because then it won't spin.
Okay, so just put it on loosely.
Yep. Then put the short pegs
Yep.
into it, like
Into
that.
what?
Into the tube. Just like that. Oh, whoops, dropped it. Just like that, and it looks like that.
Okay.
And now you can see how it spins.
Okay.
Then you could either put the connectors on first, like that, then the wheels. Or you could put the wheels on, then the connectors. I like putting the wheels on first.
All right, hold on.
Take the pegs,
Yep.
then put the wheel onto the peg like that.
Yep.
Then put a yellow one or any colored one of these
Okay.
right onto it like that. You can do it tight as you want.
Okay.
Then take the other wheel and put it on like that. You just repeat the same as you did on this side.
Hey.
Now you have a Lego fidget spinner.
Woo!
And it looks cool.
Cool.
Now if you don't have a fidget spinner, guys, if you have Legos and you have the right pieces, and you could also use a straight one of these if you would like, and the tubes, and build it the exact same way. So that's how you build a fidget spinner, guys. Here's one of my other fidget spinners. Mom's spinning it. It's kind of heavy. It's
Yeah, this one's heavier.
pretty heavy, so it won't spin as long, but it spins pretty well. Down below if you want me to do a couple of other fidget spinner videos or stuff, and give this video a big thumbs up, big thumbs up, and subscribe. See ya!